Hello guys, thanks so much for checking out today's video and welcome back to our series as well. Today we're going to be talking about where you can set up the payment options for your appointment website. So let's get to it. So on your site's dashboard, go to Getting Paid on the left. Then click on Connect Payment Method. Here, you'll see two main options that you can choose from. So, to accept credit or debit cards with Wix, which is Wix's recommended, and also manual payments. So, if you choose accept credit or debit cards with Wix, click on Connect. Wix now will remind you that payment providers have certain restrictions. So, to make sure that they connect the right provider, review the restricted list and answer the questions below. So these are the list of restrictions that you need to be aware of. So adult content and services, alcohol as the main product, binary options such as cryptocurrencies, CBD, financial products and services, firearms and weapons, gambling, lotteries, skill games, medical devices, prescription only and regulated medical devices, nutraceuticals, prescription only, and dietary supplements, tobacco, and e cigarettes. These are just the main restrictions listed. Wix actually has a full list of prohibited products and services, so make sure to check that out. Wix also clearly states that you will not receive your money if you sell these products or services with Wix payments. Wix will then ask you, do you sell any of the prohibited products or services mentioned? Select an option, then move on. Now you'll be given options to select the online payment methods you'd like to enable. You can simply toggle the buttons on or off depending on the payment methods you want to connect. Apart from online payment methods, they also have buy now, pay later methods if you want to allow them. So feel free to select the payment options you would like to connect your services to or your website to. Click on continue. Now to complete our Wix Payments account setup, click on Complete Setup over here. Wix will then ask you about your business info. So select your business type, input your personal details such as your first and middle name, your last name, date of birth, and then SSN or ITIN. Make sure to input your address as well, your business description, such as your business name, statement descriptor, industry, and the products or services that you offer. Now, input your bank account details. Input your routing number, your account number, and confirm your account number once again. Before you submit, make sure to read Wix's payment and their processor's terms of service, as well as their service fees. If you've read them and agree to them, tick this checkbox and click on Submit. Wix will then review your application, and once successful, Wix payments will successfully be activated. And that's it. We hope you found this video of help somehow. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.